Firstly, I would search online for free textures to download. This is just a random pick. I chose this texture. I'm using watercolour on a smooth canvas, looking for the downloaded texture and applying it to my canvas. The canvas settings menu can be found under View. By moving the two sliders, grain size and roughness, I can control the appearance of the texture from smooth to rough. You'll need to experiment as different surfaces will show various examples of texture. By moving the roughness from minus to plus, inverts the texture. So we've gone from smooth to rough, all by moving the texture via sliders. Now to import a texture. This way the canvas is saved as a preset for future use. The previous way was just to demonstrate how to use a texture for individual layers. Because I've already used this texture, when I try to import, I will get a message that it's already imported. So ignore that and pretend I'm importing for the first time. And here's where I downloaded it. To make sure it is selected, see the green? It's really the same. Moving the sliders to get an idea of the changing textures. I've enlarged the screen so that you may see the texture better. Saving the canvas as a preset for future use. The canvas can be added to an existing group, or you can make a new group. On the canvas settings menu, you can see the color of the canvas can be changed, as you may prefer a softer shade of cream rather than white. The opacity of the canvas can also be changed here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll find the tutorial useful.